Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Happy New Year to everyone. And we are starting the new year with our third brick break for the latest Marvel HeroClix Black Panther set. Okay, so we recently got a break just now because of the delayed shipping Christmas season. And we have here the participants on the screen. Okay, number one is yours truly, Jasper. Is not yet here. Neil is not here. Pete is here. Chito not here. Angelito got 3 slots. And then Pete has a second slot. And of course, the last slot is Conrad. Okay. So as always, quick mechanics. So we have our brick here. Let me just spin the video. Okay, so there. Okay, so we have our brick here, sealed brick of Black Panther. And we will randomize the participants 1 to 5 will be the slots at the back of the brick, left to right. And then 6 to 10, front of the brick, left to right. Okay, so I saw a chat. Lead the prayer, the pit. Anyway, so we also have our bounty items. While waiting for you guys, we decided Angelito and myself to just keep it simple. Bounty A stands for Arnim Zola. Okay, so if ever you pull Arnim Zola, you get the soldier's loot. Bounty B stands for Black Panther. Okay, so you have the assassins wearing all blacks. And then Bounty C is Captain America. You have the Cowboys here and the legacy card Brimstone. Okay. And then if ever a God Pack is pulled, then of course you get the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay. So these are our bounty. Okay. So any objection?
Wala naman. I've called the other three na wala. So, piniem ko na rin sila. So,
Ah,
hopefully, makita na ng people.
yeah. Okay.
Makahabol sila.
So I'll stop sharing and share the screen. Okay, so we'll randomize the list. Let's see how many times. 9 times. Okay.
Cool.
This is the list again. So 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so this is our list. Please take note. I'll also copy paste it in our, where's that? In our PowerPoint. There. Okay, so number 1 will be Chito, and then Angelito, Conrad, Angelito, Angelito, Pete, Jasper, and Neil. Okay, and at the end of the break, we will be, of course, raffling as well the legacy card. Okay, sige. I'm monitoring the chat so you can, in Tagalog, ang huling pot-pot. Chito ha, alam na. Wala pa si Chito, Conrad. Okay, so anyway,
Wala, hindi na siya active sa FB ngayon. So,
offline
nakaliyan
na.
kita.
Okay, sige. So you should be able to see the brick itself. Okay. I'm gonna open it. The first one is Chito. So we have our legacy card here. I'm sorry. Okay. Here. Uh, there. Okay.
Naway maging Black Panther legacy card yan.
Naway maging Panther throne na yan. Okay, let's open it up.
Oo. At naway sa akin mapunta, Joe.
Ano naman yan? Luck of the draw.
Yan lang naman habol ko dahil meron akong Black Panther din. So,
May
ako
Black
lang yata.
ka? Ikaw lang
Yes, ako
ata.
lang tsaka si Larry ang may Black Panther, I think.
Mahirap ba makuha yun dati?
Medyo. Tsaka kasi, alala ko, kaya ako meron, di ba yung mga last few ADW ng NG, kinuha ko?
Oh, ADW siya. So,
Yes.
okay din pala bumili ng ano kung meron pang discounted. So, number 1 is Chito. This is for you, Chito. Let's see.
May black panty daw din si Lori. Okay.
Sino
Sino
si,
si Lori?
sino si Lori? Larry ba? Larry? Baka si Larry.
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 Kaya kami dalawa nga ni Larry.
So, Chito, you got Storm,
Form.
Akili,
Ang puti. Ba't puro puti?
mga negro na nakaputi.
Ay, grabe. Racist. Racist tayo
Wakanda,
dyan.
Wakanda Scientist,
Well, consistent. O, di ba?
Ape
Ito na
Scientist,
dilaw.
and Killmonger. Okay.
Okay.
So, hindi natin kung sino yung, alam kung sino yung taong nasa loob. Okay. So, Chito,
Hala.
don't worry. Nag-message siya sa akin. May ginagawa doon si Chito. So, okay lang, Chito. We opened your pack. You got the rare Killmonger. Okay.
Congrats.
Number 2 is Angelito. Okay, let's see.
Ang una sa tatlo ni Angelito.
1 of 3.
Mm.
Parang bumalik na naman yung scientist, ha? Scientist.
Oh, dilaw ulit.
Oh,
Uy, ano yan? Akala ko. Ay, ano yan?
another scientist, Supreme.
Okay, madilaw to the
Scientist
gold.
Supreme.
Okay. Hindi yan rare.
Di ba? Misty Knight.
Okay.
Oy, Arnim Zola. The
Oh,
Bounty.
congratulations. Ayun yung tinawag.
Congratulations,
Oh.
Bounty A. And
Oh.
Dora Milaje. Okay, so Bounty A goes to Chito. Okay, check ko na kung may
Hindi, no.
ano na
To
Angelito?
Angelito.
Ano ba Angelito?
Huwag ka recorded to, Fred.
Oo. Angelito, double check lang na merong Arnim Zola card. Okay, kasi
Congrats.
SR. So, you got
Angelito.
also the Angelito, soldier. Bayan, nililito ako.
You called it and you got it.
Angelito. Okay. Conrad, number 3, middle back.
Ahay.
Ay,
Ahay.
pwede Wala pa masyadong mabigat Tingnan natin. May mga magagaan.
Mabigat ba dapat yon?
May mga gagaan din na chases sila. Bast, ganyan.
Okay.
Hindi rin naman. Not necessarily mabigat. Pero pag mabigat, mga obvious kasi. Pero may mga non-obvious din. Conrad, uy, Black Panty. Na babae.
Oh, Black Panther. Shuri.
Kaya lang, tanggalin ko. War
Ano yan?
Machine.
Ay, congrats, War Machine.
There.
Pwede na.
Wakanda Scientist. Puro mga ano na naman to Miles Morales. And
Sko. Dora.
Okoye.
Ah,
Okay. So, rare War Machine.
War Machine.
Wala parang mga herbs. Maganda rin yung heart-shaped herbs. So, Conrad.
Sabay boot.
Number 4 and 5, Angelito parehas.
Angelito.
Ano ko na yung dalawa mo? Para nakatag.
Okay.
4 and 5. Let's
5
see.
yan Yan yung 5.
Ito yung 5.
Fifth one.
4 muna.
Part triangle.
Okay.
Okay.
4.
Oh, may nag-doorbell na.
Larry. Si Larry. Hello, Larry. Uy, bubble wrap. May bubble wrap.
Oy. Ito na ba yung chase?
Tingnan natin. Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Vibranium. We got Atut Saras. Snowbird.
Snowbird. SR ba yan?
Another SR na
Oh,
naman.
congrats. Wow.
Ironheart. Parang ito
Grabe,
yung
wala
mga
nang ititira.
ni
Wala nang
Conrad,
ititira sa amin. Grabe to si Angelito.
Uy,
Inubos.
Shuri. Maganda yan, Shuri. And Midnight Angel. Parang ganito yung nakuha.
Grabe.
Conrad, parang ganito yung nakuha.
Inubos na nga ng SR.
Wala siyang heart
May
shape.
prime ba dito?
May prime. Vibranium siya, Conrad. Hindi heart shape herb. Pero
Hindi heart shape. Huwag ka na
parang ganito yung booster ni Conrad last time. Dalawang rare, isang SR. Wow.
Dalawang rare?
Oo, yung
Wow.
Midnight Angel tsaka Ironheart.
Galing naman.
Okay. Ay, sorry.
Inubos na ni Angelito
Gusto ni Angelito Tingnan natin yung cards for the SR, guys. To be sure.
Okay na. Yeah, it's complete.
Complete.
SR pala yon yung item. Okay.
SR siya.
Oo.
Uh,
Okay.
SR.
Booster 5.
And booster number 5 is still Amiguito. So, dalawa ng SR tayo. Hopefully.
Ilan ba usually? Tatlo, no? Or minsan
Tatlo.
dalawa?
May nag-aapat eh. Depende rin.
Ah,
Depende sa collation.
wala pang prime, ha?
Ares. Rare
Rare
Ares.
ba yan?
Rare Ares. Killmonger. Another Scientist Supreme. Amadeus Cho. And Kirby. And Black Patty Girl.
Girl. Ah, okay.
Okay, so Rare Ares. Not bad. Maganda.
Pwede na rin. Rare niya, Aris pa. O God
Oh,
pa rin, oh. Pwede na.
sideline. Ano yan?
Congrats.
One of the best sidelines. Ang Elito.
Oh, congrats. Angelito, ang ganda ng tree mo.
No, plus Bounty, of
Oh,
course. Pete,
oh, di ba? Oh,
number 6.
Diyos
Let's
ko, Lord. Ito na.
one of two. Oh, let's see. Ayaw. Mga ano na naman.
Ito na naman tayo sa mga puti-puti, ah.
Kaputi Akili.
Diyos ko.
Ano naman.
Oh,
Nick Fury and Goose.
my gods.
Killmonger. And, Prime. Prime. War Machine Prime. Colonel James
Ah,
Rhodes.
pwede na.
Pwede
I'll take it.
yan. Okay, let's check the card. That's a good Prime. That's a good Prime. Colonel James Rhodes. Okay.
Okay.
Ito naman. Okay. Good, 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 good. Sana may chase pa kasi
Sana may chase pa. Oo nga.
issue, alam nyo naman, ang primes. This is fit. Yay.
Yeah.
You're
Parang
next.
rare prime lang naman yata yun. So baka
Rare prime.
may chase.
May mataas ang chance. Rare prime. This you. Wala pa si Okay. Let's see. Oh, tagalin ko na. Uy,
Oh,
Black Panther.
Thor. Rare.
Thor Rare.
Ay, pwede na. Pwede na.
Power Man.
Hmm.
Claw.
Claw.
And
Ah,
Miss
pwede na.
Colleen Wing.
Yung kasama ni Misty.
Hindi ko na,
Yung isa.
hindi ko naman natandaan na meron palang ano dito. Colleen Wing. Ano ba? May
Ah, Colin Wing
pumasok.
nga pala yan. Ah, siya pala yun, si
Si,
Colin Wing.
sino yung pumasok? Hello, letter Javier Marcos.
Hello. Kamusta,
Hello.
boss?
Ano na? We are on number 8 na. Na-pull na
Ako. Ni.
yung ilang SR na tayo?
Dalawang SR, isang
Dalawang
prime.
SR, isang
Rare.
prime. Tag doon? Si
Ah, ako na yan. Second booster ko.
Speed. Uy, pwede. Ang prime natin si War Machine Prime.
Warshield. Chase yan. Joke.
That's why not. Let's see. Uy, yan na naman sila,
Akin
Pete.
na lahat.
Yan na, yan na naman. Storm.
Oh.
Storm.
Maganda yan. Rare na storm.
Oo. Si Kirby, Power Man, and Vanisher. Double rare. Double rare pack.
Okay.
Double rare pack.
I'll take it.
Yan. Nakuha pa
Oh,
rin
baka may
pack
chase pa
natin.
dyan. May SR pa
Solo.
yun, tsaka chase. O, ayan na. Sino last two ba dyan?
Myself and Neil. Parang si
Ay,
Neil lang ata.
grabe.
First time sumali ni Neil, baka tag doon. Newbie luck. This is for yours truly. Sana
Nasa yan.
Captain
SR or...
America.
Na
Storm?
SR?
Hindi. Ano? Everett Ross. White Wolf. Black Panther and M'Baku.
Ah.
M'Baku for me.
So kay Neil pa. Wow.
Dapat
Congrats, Neil.
Dapat
SR or chase?
Or chase. Sana chase.
Kasi kung hindi yung War Machine Prime na yun, my God.
Magaan. Makabas.
Baka magaan na chase.
Baka magaan na chase. Let's see. May prime kasi. Let's see. Or at least an SR. Oh, let's see. Dora
Ilan yung
Milaje.
SR? Ilan na SR?
Dalawa
Dalawa.
lang eh. Tapos isang rare. Ito may bubble wrap. Ay,
Ayun na.
check natin. Wala eh, walang laman eh. Check natin. Baka nalaglag.
Baka item, baka heart.
Vibranium.
Rwanda.
Or heart shape.
May vibranium na kanina.
Ay, Shuri. Kasi
Shuri
Shuri yung
SR.
naka-bubble wrap.
Na SR.
Oo, Shuri SR
Oh,
and
pwede na.
Hercules.
Hercules.
So,
Pwede
wala
na.
tayong
Ganda yan.
chase.
So, walang chase. Sorry,
Wala tayong
guys.
chase because of the prime. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Congrats, Pete, sabi ni Cons. Sayang, hindi tayo nakapag ano. So, don't leave yet. Of course, we're going to check the super rare,
Legacy.
the legacy, the much awaited legacy.
I want that legacy card.
Shuri SR card is here. Okay. Na-check natin yung card ng prime mo, no? I think na-check
Oo, na-check naman natin. Oo.
here. Okay. So, let's go back to our list. Here. And see how many times we'll roll again. 5. So, total dapat ay 14. So, whoever is number 1 after 14, then we'll get the legacy. 1,
Asa pa ako dyan.
3, 4, 5. Neil! Okay, Neil. You get the legacy. And let's see who's the legacy card. Wala pa si Neil. Malamang walang legacy figure si Neil bago siya.
Malamang, kung Black Panther yan, rekta ko
Pwede
na kayo
yung
yun.
i-trade to. Pwede yung i-trade to kay Neil. Okay, let's see. Uy. Ay, kita ko. Si
Sino?
Ironheart.
Okay.
Hindi ko
Meron
alam,
din ako niyan, pero
hindi ko alam kung maganda to. Pero mukhang
sakto lang.
running shot, Pensai, Impervious, and
Wala
Prop.
masyadong pinag-iba dun sa dati niya,
From
actually.
what set yung Ironheart?
Ana?
From what
Captain
set?
America and Avengers, meron ako
Captain
niyan.
America
SR
and
yun.
Avengers.
Meron ako yan.
Ay. So,
Hi,
again,
Neil.
kung meron kayong gustong what you call this? I-trade or kung may nangyari ng buy and sell, please mention it to me so that I can swap items. Okay, so thank you once again. And again, more unboxing for us this 2025. I'm gonna stop the recording para we can be more casual. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.
Stop the recording.